lucky can one guy be? I kissed her and she kissed me. Like the fella once said, ain't that a kick in the head? The room was completely black. I hugged her and she hugged back. Like the sailor said, quote, ain't that a hole in the boat? My head keeps spinning. I go to sleep and keep grinning. If this is just a beat.
Malt liquor. Be bold. Be smooth. Be powerful. YouTube malt liquor drinking community is stronger than ever. A lot of bullshit is going on in the community as far as the YTDC. Fuck.
To spread. It's just like the fella said. Tell me quick, ain't love a kick?
Rugby. Focus. It's rubbish. All of it. Shouts out to Gut Rot. Cheers to you, mate. Seen you had a live stream, but by the time I got there, it was over. Shouts out to Havana. Full staff, still worldwide. Big Glen. You live in a shithole and you can't get 40s.
Red, that's a kick in the head.
Shouts out to everybody watching me at Malt Liquor videos. It's kind of hard to comment all the time, but I try. Live it out. Todd, turn your laptop over to the police. Stay off the internet and go to jail. Prison. That's where you need to be. Go to fucking prison. Let all your fantasies come true. Malt liquor. Shouts out to Pack Rat, Hitman. I know I'm missing a bunch of people. I didn't write this down. I just, off the top of my head. Follow the blueprint and drink only malt liquor.
My head keeps spinning. I go to sleep and keep grinning. If this is just the beginning, my life is gonna telling me, be beautiful. She's telling me we'll be wed. She's picked out a king-size bed. I couldn't feel any better.
Mr. Some Drunk, you're doing it all wrong. You're not winning. You should take those videos, your 10-second here, 20-second here, a 30-second here, just put them all in one video, alright? You're flooding the feed. Dorf, nice to see you drinking some malt liquor. That's to Mr. Rayner. 0019 and Mr. Rayner 009 hashmark 3. They're coming out with a Mr. Rogers Neighborhood video or movie, whatever. Tom Hanks playing Mr. Rogers. He should only be drinking malt liquor. There is a video out there that came out about the assassination of John F. Kennedy. And he was talking to, who's that cute brunette on there? She looks like Sarah Silverman, which I would buying. But her nose is smaller, and I don't think she's a Jew. I don't know. I'm confused. Malt liquor. The malt liquor drinking community is going strong. There is no such thing as the craft beer. No one drinks craft beer. They're homebrew. It's rubbish. And you can just go right down to your local store and pick up some fine malt liquor. Did I say rugby? It was rugby day the other day. I wasn't able to upload a video on that day. Shouts out to Big Grumble. He said, time to. Here it is. It is time. Here I am. Getting kind of close to this wheel.
Time to play the game. Time to play the game.
Shouts out to Sir Walter. Rest in peace. Shouts out to Reed Gabe too. He went to the Alice Cooper concert the other day, or last month or whenever it was. Shouts out to Fear. Drinking water. Need to be drinking malt liquor. But water's alright once in a while. Swill. 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 Malt Liquor.